Hey, so if you want to automate tasks and save time using HubSpot workflows in 2026, this guide will walk you through everything step by step so your marketing, sales, or CRM processes run smoothly. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure you have access to workflows, which are available on certain HubSpot plans. From the top menu, go to Automation, then click on Workflows. This is where you create, manage, and monitor all automated processes in HubSpot. Click. Create workflow and choose the type you need, such as contact-based, company-based, deal-based, or ticket-based. Pick the option that matches what you want to automate. Next, set your enrollment triggers. These are the conditions that decide who enters the workflow. For example, a contact fills out a form, a deal moves to a new stage, or a property changes. Clear triggers are key to accurate automation. Now add actions to the workflow. You can send emails, update contact properties, assign tasks, rotate leads to sales reps, delay actions, or move deals between stages. Arrange actions in a logical order so everything flows correctly. Use delays and branches wisely. Delays let you wait before the next action, and if then, branches allow different actions based on conditions. This makes workflows smarter and more personalized. Yeah, way more powerful. Before turning the workflow on, test everything. Review triggers, actions, and settings carefully to avoid mistakes. Small errors can affect a lot of contacts. Once ready, turn the workflow on. HubSpot will now run it automatically in the background, saving you time and reducing manual work. You can monitor performance from the workflow dashboard. Check enrollment history, action logs, and errors to improve or adjust workflows over time. And that's it. By setting clear triggers, adding smart actions, testing carefully, and monitoring results, you can use HubSpot workflows to automate your processes efficiently. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next